Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Chevrolet Cruz maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here, the menu button, the set button, and the scroller. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Now go ahead and press the menu button and go find the car logo. And you can go scroll down and up to go find that whatever you want right there, maintain an oil life. Now when you get here, go ahead and press the set button and hold it, and then now scroll to yes, and actually yep, there you go. And after you scroll to yes, click the set button again and it'll turn into 100%. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click that like. I'll see you next time.